Hello everyone, Ollie the repair dude is here again. iOS 14.6 is now finally released. Will Sliver 6.1 iOS 14 untethered bypass work on iOS 14.6? Let's find out in this video. As you can see, I got an iPhone 7 on activation lock on iOS 14.6. Let's start with the process. First thing is to go to Finder, go to iPhone, trust the iPhone. Allow it to activate. It's on activation lock, close it, go to check rain iCloud bypass, go to iOS 14 iCloud bypass, you get this dialog. I already installed the necessary file. I just click that button to show you the dialog. These are the instructions to follow. If you're not done so, I already done so I'll be clicking OK. So the next step is to jailbreak and relay SSH. Click that. I already connect my Wi-Fi as you can see. So click my Wi-Fi is connected. Click open chat rain. Go to options, allow untested iOS, iPadOS, tvOS version. Let's jailbreak the device. If you get this, click not now, click done, close check rain, click jailbreak and relay SSH again, click yes or done, click yes, click got it. The next step is to reach the home screen, click that button and wait. I'll set up the device for waiting. It's on the activation lock and boom! On the data and privacy page. Tap on continue and continue the setup process. And I'm on the springboard right now. I can show you it's on iOS 14.6. It is on iOS 14.6 as you can see. The next step is to install CDR. Boom, CDR installed. Tap on CDR. Allow the upgrade pop-up to load. Tap on ignore, go to search for CDR substrate. Tap modify, install, confirm. Tap on restart springboard. Back on the lock screen, go to home page. Now the next step is to click substrate is installed. Click OK. Now make it fully untethered. Click that button. Allow it to do its magic. Boom! Activated. Insert a pin lock SIM. Now set up the device first. And on the home page, let's insert a locked SIM. My locked SIM card. Okay, tap on cancel. Now, one question, will untethered work? Let's find out. Turn off the device. Now, turn on the device again. Will untethered work? Let's find out. Click note now. For the update, tap cancel and I am still on the home screen. Let me show you the iOS version again. And it's on iOS 14.6. In conclusion, Silver 6.1 iOS 14 untethered works on the latest version of iOS 14.6, which is the final release. I really hope that you enjoy my video. Please do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video. And also do check out my Patreon page and my merch store. And also please do donate if you want to. The links for Patreon, my merch store and my donation link will be in the description below. And see you in the next video.